This is HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Opera app itself if you are not sure how to properly install it and get it on your device at the first place. We have a whole separate video tutorial on it, so make sure to check it out. So back to what I was saying, so launch the Opera browser, then go into settings by tapping at your avatar to the top left of the screen, then at this cog icon over here. Once at the settings, go for the default browser section, then obviously hit this section over here. Then once this dialog window appears, click next and change or set your default browser to Opera by selecting it from the list and going for the set as default option. And well, that would be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.